Hi, this is Chris Kuntz from Augmentir. I'm the Vice President of Strategic Operations. Our partnership with Fluke and eMaint is really solving the last mile of productivity in manufacturing. When you think about the future of industrial work, the digitally connected workforce, what we are doing is helping to enable and augment human workers that are on the shop floor in maintenance roles, perform their jobs safely and correctly. At Augmentir, what we do is we solve what we consider to be one of the biggest problems in manufacturing today, which is the skills gap and the skilled labor gap in manufacturing and the lack of experience on the shop floor. And so we're an AI technology and a connected worker platform, and what we do is use that technology to help guide those workers to perform their jobs safely, perform their jobs correctly. And for the customer, it's helping to improve asset machine downtime, it's helping to improve production efficiency and improve quality. So historically, in manufacturing, the frontline worker has been disconnected from the digital thread of the business. And so when you think of critical processes around maintenance and reliability, quality and safety, frontline workers have been disconnected. They're using paper-based processes, paper-based work instructions. And so what we're doing is not just digitizing those work instructions, those SOPs, those maintenance procedures, but we are also connecting them into the business systems like eMaint, business systems that can provide a closed loop process between the shop floor and those critical enterprise systems.